So what is up, guys? Welcome back to Kawaii Banana. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my new how I organize my squishies, my new way, because if you saw my last video, that was the way that I organized them, but I changed it completely because I got a lot of new bins and I thought I just fixed it up. So I'm going to start with my biggest bin, which is actually right under here, where that has just, my camera and some little toys and my bag of foam. So this bin, I didn't label them, but so this is my Amazon squishies. As you can tell, this is the biggest bin because I get a lot of squishies from Amazon. So I'll show you guys some of them that are on top. So this one from Amazon, this one, and this one was from Amazon. So and I'll show you the bins. So see, there's this little bins just filled with Amazon squishies. And if you didn't know, this one is from Amazon. So yeah, so these ones are from Amazon. And then let's move on to all of the smaller ones. I'll have to move the my iPad, which is filming, so I'm sorry if you hear the sound is weird. Let me just put you guys lower. Okay. Let me just get some light. Better. Okay, so I'm gonna bend down, but so this, I can get it out. Okay, so here it is. This is the bin that's packed. So you guys won't be able to see my face, but so here's this bin. It has a bunch of little kawaii faces and little characters on it, and so it just has some these squishy brands I don't have a lot of. So basically that. So I only have one squishy fun squishy, so I put it in this bin. So my squishy fun cake is at the top, and then I also have Hebrew squishies in here. I have a Reedy squishies in here, and I have Hello Kitty squishies in here. So I have those squishies in here, and it's packed. It was so hard for me to fit everything in here, and even my squishy fun cake isn't even fitting, honestly. So there we go, and stick that in there. And see, look, it's my squishy fun cake is going at the top. So next bin, which is my absolute favorite bin, is of course, I can't get it out. Okay, my I Bloom squishies bin. I don't have a lot in here. 5 squishies, that's it. And so I'll just show you all of them since there's only 5. So my plain date table, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, so that's super exciting. My I Bloom Billy the Whale. My I Bloom Angel Bunny, which smells so good. My I Bloom Strawberry Tea Bear. And my I Am a Tokyo Strawberry Milk Toast. Those are all those. And so this bin, this bin right here, this is not small squishies anymore. I mean, it's pretty small, but so I don't know if you've seen my squishy haul from the mall video, but I got a bunch of squeezable squishies. It's a brand, but I just have a decent amount of them, so I thought I'd just make a little bin for them. So I'll show you all of them since there's only just a couple in here. There's only 7 in here. So I have my little tooth from my haul. I have this donut. I think this was in one of my haul videos. This from one of my haul videos. This actually was when I didn't start YouTube yet. And I have this bagel. I don't think this was in a haul video. This was not in a haul video. And last one, this one was in a haul video. So here it is. Super slow rising. I'm gonna put them all back in here, and then we can move on to the last 3 bins. So last 3 bins of this one, I can't open unfortunately because like it's really packed and I just can't. So let me just get my squishy. Okay, so here. Oh no, I just opened it. Never mind. I'll just have to do it. So as you guys can tell, this is super packed. This basically has all of these squishies that either I don't know the brand to, or like I don't have a lot of them. Kind of similar to my one that has this one right here. It's similar, but it has a lot in it. So like, you know, for example, I only have one cake pop cutie, and this like octopus that's on the top, this one was from the mall, and it's not really a brand squishy. And like this like little unicorn, it's not licensed by anything, and I don't know. And this squishy right here, the watermelon and the popcorn, is by scented squashies, and like some magical squishies, soft and slow crush balls, just more like some stress balls, just from just like other little squishies that I just don't really have a place for, I guess. And it's super packed. I always have to like step on it and then put the lid on, but let's see if I can put it on. Okay, come on. Okay, if you can, as you can see, look, it's like closed on the sides, but it's like really good. So, oh, it just popped open. Okay. So this is the other bin. It's really packed. It has a bunch of my squishy supplies in it, just like basic gloves, my squishies that I made, like paint and paintbrushes, and some little tiny pieces of foam that I haven't painted yet. Oh, just popped the bag. So then the last bin, which is pretty high, is my soft and slow squishies. So for example, I have this one at the top, this s'more, and this cupcake. And there's just like other ones in here. Here goes. Sorry, they're falling out. Okay. So that's all of my bins, guys. Let me just get these out of the way so I can speak to you guys. Move the camera. This is a different angle, actually. Sorry about. Oh no. Okay. So let me get some lights in here. This is a new angle. Tell me, guys, in the comments if you like this new angle. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and like this video. And guys, tell me in the comments below what video I should do next, guys, because I will do any other videos that are related to squishies or slime if you want to. So bye, guys. I'll see you guys next time.